In the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, we are dedicated to helping each of our students reach their full potential. We're committed to providing our students with the knowledge and skills they need to be successful. That's why in every one of our programs, students learn key subject matter, as well as critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills that will help them excel in all of their pursuits. We're committed to providing our students engaged learning opportunities such as mentored research, internships, and study abroad experiences. Our students successfully pursue a variety of paths after college, from attending graduate and medical school to working in public relations and government. All of our students are prepared to contribute to their community. Whether you are a new, current, or returning student, welcome to UVU and the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. We're glad to have you with us.
Hi, my name is Tammy Nguyen, and I am the Director of Academic Advising within the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. It is my pleasure today to be able to introduce to you all of the amazing majors and programs that we offer within the college. The College of Humanities and Social Sciences, you will also hear around campus that we are referred to as CHESS. It's just a short acronym for the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. The great thing about our degree is that we are known to have degrees to anywhere, meaning that we create a lot of transferable skills that our students are able to then graduate within our program and then get jobs upon graduation. We do cover a lot of areas, and we are one of the largest colleges at UVU, and so we have really great programs, we have lots of minors, and we also offer a lot of certificates as well. So let's get started. The new associate degree that we offer within the College of Humanities and Social Sciences is our Humanities and Social Sciences Associate's degree. We have both the Associate of Arts and the Associate of Science. So what you can do is earning an associate's degree opens up options for your future. This vital credential will help you get ahead should you decide to take a leave of absence, change another major, or transfer to a different institution. So this kind of comes as a package deal. If you get your associate's degree and you decide to transfer to any other institution within the state of Utah, this whole entire degree will then move over to that institution. Rather than just transferring courses, you have the opportunity to then transfer this entire degree. So with 60 required credits, 12 in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, you get 13 free electives from any college and 35 general education credits. This associate's degree will help you find and pursue your passion. So this, again, if you're kind of exploring our college and you're not quite sure what you want to do, this is a really great opportunity to get your associate's degree in the Humanities and Social Sciences, because any course that you take within our college then applies to this associate's degree. So if you are interested in maybe doing social work, sociology, psychology, or anthropology, or you're not really quite sure which one you want to do, you can take all of those introductory courses and then be able to expose yourself to different areas and then get this associate's degree to then again use your stackable degree to then apply those to your bachelor's degree. An associate's degree in the Humanities and Social Sciences will help you earn essential credits that will allow you to graduate sooner in any program within our college. So that's a really great opportunity, and we just started offering that fall of 2020. So the Behavioral Science Department is the largest department within our college, and you will also see that we have lots of different majors within them. So the majors that we offer are psychology, anthropology, family science, sociology, social work, and then we also have the certificate in substance use disorder counseling. All of these majors are open majors, meaning that you can just go in and talk to your academic advisor and declare the major, other than the Bachelor of Social Work and the Certificate of Substance Use Disorder Counseling, which is also referred to as SUDSI as well. The social work and the SUDSI program are both programs that you must apply to get into. So you can't just simply declare the major. You actually have to take some courses, prerequisites, and then you would actually have to apply to the program and get in. That is the only way that you can declare those two programs. But the other ones are all open programs. If you want to declare them, you can go ahead and just declare them with your academic advisor. I'm also happy to announce that sociology and anthropology are our newest majors that we started offering at fall 2020, and the program continues to grow. The next department is the History and Political Science Department. So the history and political science program, they do offer a couple of majors. So for the history major, you can only get your degree as a BA, a Bachelor of Arts. They do not at this point in time offer a Bachelor of Science. But if you were to major in history, you have some areas that you can major in: European history, US history, world history, public history, and they also have some special topics as well. For the history and social studies education, that's more of like a teaching, so that is also housed within the College of Education, but you would work both with CHES and with the College of Education to get this degree. And then we also have a political science degree, which has a lot of concentrations or emphasis, is what they call them. So you would still major in political science, but then you would just choose an area of study to kind of concentrate within the big umbrella of political science. So some of the concentrations that we offer are global politics, American government, public law, Indian Affairs Administration, peace and justice studies, and public administration and policy. The great thing about history and political science, they also have a lot of minors that range between 20 credit hours. They kind of flex between 18 and 22 credit hours, but you can easily add on a minor to any of these history and political science degrees. So that's a great thing about them. Our next department that I want to talk to you about is English and Literature. UVU's English majors are about critical thinking, thoughtful skills, and effective communication, skills that are valued in every aspect of daily life. So again, like I mentioned, how we have those transferable skills, this is what I'm talking about. English courses help broaden students' cultural awareness by exposing them to literature from classical to contemporary from a vast array of sources. So, some of the majors that we offer for English and literature programs are creative writing, English education. Again, so English education is the same thing that I mentioned before with history education. You work both within our college, but then you would work closely with the College of Education to kind of get that degree. Writing studies, literary studies, editing and document design, which is also which is a certificate. So we also offer a lot of great English and literature programs there. The next department that we offer is communication. A communication degree will help students prepare for careers that demand skills in oral, written, and visual communication in interpersonal, organizational, print, and electronic contexts. This degree prepares students to communicate within the context demanded by the business, journalism, marketing, and public relation worlds. So you might have heard that we used to have a journalism major. Unfortunately, starting fall 2021, we've actually revamped our curriculum. So it is something new and exciting, but we will only be offering two majors within the communication program, which is applied communication or public relation and strategic communication. The reason for the revamp is because, like I mentioned, we have what we call stackable degrees, where you can then get your associates, which easily then moves into your bachelor's degree program. And the communication program just recently revamped their entire curriculum to then be able to have those stackable degrees. So that was the reason for the change. So integrated studies is a really great department. The integrated studies program gives students the opportunity to create their own degree by combining two different areas of knowledge into a single interdisciplinary degree. Departments across the university have designed areas of emphasis that can be combined with the integrated studies core curriculum to create a wide variety of educational possibilities. So what this means is that if you have two areas of study that you're really interested in doing, but you don't really want to double major, the integrated studies is a really great way to kind of combine both of those emphases into just one bachelor degree program. So for instance, if you're interested in accounting and philosophy, you can get a degree in integrated studies where you do a little bit of accounting and a little bit of philosophy and kind of merge those emphases together. This is a really great opportunity for students that are really interested in a lot of areas and want to actually study more than one. So we have a whole list of integrated studies emphasis. I won't read them all out loud to you, but there is a slide right there that names them all. And so you can just pick two of them, and then you would work with your academic advisor to see how you would actually merge those two interests together. So that's a really great opportunity that we offer within the college. Philosophy and Humanities. Philosophy and Humanities provides an education in the intellectual and creative underpinnings of the liberal arts curriculum. Philosophy explores the enduring questions of human life, while humanities examines the objects humans have created to respond to those questions. So, starting off, so the only majors that we offer are philosophy and the humanities. Both of these programs really focus on a lot of critical thinking and a lot of writing. So, again, kind of going back to those transferable skills, if you're wanting to major in either of these programs, for the humanities, we only offer the Bachelor of Arts. We do not offer the Bachelor of Science. But this is a really great way for you to start actually looking at the world in a different perspective, really critically thinking from different perspectives through the arts and how that impacts us and how that's developed over time. And so the philosophy and humanities, if you really like just thinking broadly and being exposed to new ideas, that's a really great department for you to be a part of. Languages and cultures. Students will develop, improve, and master language skills in American Sign Language, or also known as ASL, Chinese, French, German, Japanese, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. This department also gives students the opportunity to increase their understanding of different people and cultures. So I kind of already mentioned all of the majors that we offer within languages and cultures, which is a really great opportunity because always learning a second language is a great thing to know. So when you hear the Bachelor of Arts degree, the Bachelor of Arts degree already has a foreign language component built in. So if you were to want to learn like Spanish for instance, that would then kind of play in to actually you working towards your Bachelor of Arts degree. So we do have a lot of amazing things. You can also do a lot of minors. These languages are easily added on to any major as a minor. And so again, you would just talk to the languages advisor and she would be able to help you with that. And we just kind of want to end with a quote right here. The competitive advantages the marketplace demands is someone more human, connected, and mature. And that's absolutely what our majors offer within our college. Again, like I said, we have a lot of students that come through our college, and we really do focus on those transferable skills that are really helpful in the workplace. So if you want to learn more or you have any questions or concerns about any of our majors, minors, certificates, here is a website that has all of our amazing advisors listed. You can either schedule an appointment with them or shoot them an email and then have some one-on-one time and get to know them because they are very knowledgeable in their area and they really want to see you succeed. So take some time, schedule an appointment with them, meet with them, ask all the questions that you have, and we'll be happy to help you on your way. Thank you for your interest in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences.
I love CHSS. When I first came to college, I had no idea what I was going to do, and I didn't feel like there was a major that really worked for me. However, communications has been such an amazing opportunity that has allowed for a wide networking circle. And I feel like it's opened a door to so many different career paths. I feel like I am able to really be my unique and individual self. Every single class period, I learn information that is not only useful and helpful for the future, but it really helps me to identify who I am today and help me to develop my own character now. I think anybody would be happy to pursue a major in CHSS.